Hello, my name is Mohammed Shamil VP and I am performing this video to our World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. I have skilled as a data analyst. I am studied the topic Excel, SQL, Python, exploratory data analysis, Power BI, Tableau and so on. I have mastered the ability to extract meaningful insights from different data sets to carry out decision making from various industries. Now I have done a Python project in using Python IDLE. I have taken the data set from Kaggle. The data set is healthcare analysis, and I have imported many Python module. Firstly, pandas, numpy, matplotlib.pyplot, seaborn, datetime and scipy. These are the Python libraries I used for this Python project for the healthcare data analysis. Then I have taken the file path to load the data set. I have taken the file path and set its location. Then I have read the file pd.read csv file path. Then I have done print the df, info and describe. Head option explain the first 5 rows and columns of the data set, and the info printed the information about the data set. Then the describes the data sets, and then I print the isNull.sum for is there any null values in the data set. This is the part of cleaning the data set. Whenever we do a project, firstly we want to import the modules and then we want to clean the data set. So this is the part of the cleaning the data set. Then after I done the date in correct formation, I here print the df date for admission into datetime format. Then I also change the discharge date also in datetime format. Then I do the then I make this a separate column for date of length of stay by using the column date of admission and date of discharge. The length of stay calculated by joining date and discharge date. So I use the query here df dot length of stay equal df discharge date minus date of admission dot dt dot days. Then I type print it. It includes the name, date of admission, discharge date and length of stay, and I make it dot head. Then it shows the head, I mean the first 5 rows and columns of the column. Then I make so many graphs and plots in this project for visually seeing the graphs about the data. Then I use histplot for histogram view of age distribution of patients, and I give the title name age distribution of patients. Then next I make a bar chart of gender distribution. And the same way I type the query plt.title as gender distribution and plt.show. Then I make the medical condition of the patients So I type the query df medical condition dot value counts, and I also print the head, and then I again put a count plot for the chart, and I named the title as top medical conditions, and then PLT show. Then after I have done the hospital, top hospital by patients, so I type the query for top hospitals equal df hospital dot value counts dot head. I here type head as 10 options, so I want to see the top 10 hospitals of 10. Then I want to see top doctors, so I type the query top doctors equal df doctor dot value counts, same head 10. Then I type print doctors by patient count. Then I type I want to see the overall average billing amount. So then I type the print query for overall average billing amount df billing amount dot mean. So I want to get the mean. Then average billing amount. So I type the query that equal to df dot group by medical condition and billing amount dot mean, and I type here sort values ascending because I want to see the values in ascending order. Then I print the average billing, and I want to show the plot graph, so I select a bar graph. So I type this SNS plot bar plot x equal I want to see the x label equal average billing values and y label equal billing index. Then I want to plot another table, another graph average billing by medical condition, and its x-axis I given average billing amount and y-axis I given medical condition. Then PLT dot show for the presentation visual graph, and then provider counts for insurance provider, print provider counts. Then I want to show the visual value, so I give the SNS dot count plot for the data type distribution, and I want to see box plot of medical condition by length of stay. So I again put the graph of box plot in of this by length of stay by condition. Then finally I want to emergency by admission type and billing amount, comparing both of them. So I again I want to the statistical value also. So I want to test the T static value. So I type the query here for seeing that statistical value of T test. So here I give the T stat and P value equals stats dot T test in emergency and elective. So here I type print T test is static equal stat and print P value equal P value. I want to show the static value as a box plot. So I again type the visual representation query for box plot that PLT, and I given the title as billing amounts by admission type. And now I would like to show a correlation matrix of the age and length of stay. So I am typing the query that CO correlation matrix